Well, hey there, I'm Kristen, and I'm with One Focus Property Management. And today I'm taking you on the tour of 182 Rockey Road in Loganton, Pennsylvania. This incredible home has 3 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and as you can see behind me, there are some incredible features inside this home. So stick around. I'm gonna walk you through this entire amazing place, and after I do that, I'm going to tell you how to make this the next place you're definitely calling home. So let's get started.
So as always, we are starting the tour outside so you can take a look at the surroundings. And is it not just breathtaking? So you have upper parking here, you do have lower parking there, and then access to the attached garages. The only thing you won't have access to is that little stable out there. So let's make our way in through the front door from the upper parking. Coming up the driveway, you got a nice wide pathway. And when you come up here to the front door, what I love is you have this gorgeous area here, and the windows inside, breathtaking. Plenty of space here for some nice rocking chairs, table and chair set, a little umbrella. I mean, you have a multitude of options out here. Now, when we come inside, we are immediately greeted by this beautiful, beautiful kitchen. You can see that you've got the bar top here, and then these gorgeous counters and cabinets, beautiful appliances that match the vibe. I mean, seriously, the black appliances are definitely an entire mood. You also have just so many beautiful architectural features, like when you walk around to this incredible great room / living room. I mean, can we talk about this gorgeous fireplace? And you have this loft area, which we'll get to in just a little bit here. Look at this mantle, and then I'm just gonna turn around, because are we not just in love with the panoramic view here? Now we're gonna come right in through here. Let me get a light on here. We're gonna step into the first bathroom. Lots and lots of cabinets, and I love that they carried over the same vibe in the cabinets throughout the majority of this home. You have a nice wide vanity, and then you have this great bathtub, nice shower head, and then obviously your toilet facilities are back here. You have 2 bedrooms here that are close to this bathroom, which makes it really lovely because you do have a bedroom on the other side of the house. Now, this first bedroom, certainly large enough for a king-size bed. I doubt anybody's going to be fighting over the big room here. And we're going to pop into the closet. You can see that there's screens there, and then you have a hang bar and a shelf. And there's also a light installed. You saw it flicker on there for just a second. Coming into the second bedroom, I mean, goodness gracious. Again, another big, beautiful room, plenty of space for a king-size bed. This, however, has a double door closet, and it has got tons of space. Now let's pop over to the other side of the home here. Now, before we go into this amazing door, we're gonna go into here. What? First floor laundry and a half bath? I mean, it is giving everything in here. I love the first floor laundry. Electric washer and dryer connections. It is also situated right outside of your master suite. Again, gorgeous, big bedroom. You have plenty of space here. I'm gonna just turn this on, turn the fan on so you can take a look. It looks out to the rear of the property here. And we're gonna go a little bit further here because you are about to be razzle-dazzled. Aha, let's turn the lights on. I mean, this master suite, my breath is taken. My pearls are clutched. My hair is blown completely off of my head. Just kidding, it's still there, but it is amazing. You have a full-size bathtub, nice tall shower head. You've got this over here with your toilet. I mean, it's amazing, and it gets a little better. Excuse me. But can we talk about the master walk-in closet? This beautiful porthole window. I mean, it is absolutely beautiful. And I'm gonna say that a lot through this tour because I absolutely love this incredible home. Now, before we go downstairs, we're gonna take it upstairs. So let's come up here to this great loft area. Nice wide steps. You get the beautiful stone here from the fireplace. I mean, and can we talk about it here? First of all, plenty of headspace. You can make this like a hangout area, an office. You could even do something that could double down as a guest room. I mean, but look at the view. And then you also have the beautiful architectural features that you can see. And another thing that I really love, you've got a full bathroom up here. So you got the stand-up shower, cute little vanity, and obviously your toilet facilities. Now let's take it downstairs into the basement. It also doesn't mean that this is going to be quick because the downstairs has just as much amazing space as it does upstairs. Also, just one last look at that gorgeous view. Now we're going to come downstairs and I'm going to hang a right. First place we're looking, we have a nice big 2-car garage. We're going to go one further. I'm actually going to loop you around this entire space. So this would be your basement space. You have stuff set up so you can certainly hang your coats, kick your boots off, all of that good stuff. It's also beautiful. The floors are beautiful. You've got great lighting, nice headroom. But what I like, let's get some lights on here. You have this little hallway back here. And if you need it, you've got a great little slop room back here. And then you also, oh yeah, you have a whole nother full bathroom with a stand-up shower. And there's more. You've got this incredible room down here with a dry bar, beautiful walkout access. And oh look, they doubled down and made sure that you had a fireplace down here too. Can we just talk about the incredible details that have been put into this amazing home?
So let's not even talk about how much we love this house and let's get right to the meat of it. What you need to do to make this the next place that you're calling home is go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You're going to look at our listing and be able to find all the information about this property. You're going to be able to book your tour and you will even be able to submit your application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, give us a call at the office at 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website, give us a call today, because y'all, I am anxious to help you make this incredible home the next place that you are calling home.